Hello, in front of me I've got Oppo F21 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to cast screen from smartphone to TV using YouTube app. In the beginning, make sure that both devices are connected to same Wi-Fi and then enter YouTube. Press this button from the top of the screen and select your TV. Now that your smartphone and TV are connected, you can play anything you would like from your smartphone on your TV. In order to disconnect your smartphone from TV, again press this button and select disconnect. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.